Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to change the media upload quality on Instagram Threads. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates. To begin, open the Threads app on your phone. Now go to your profile from the bottom right corner. Then tap the two lines from the top right corner. Then go to Account. Here you will find Media Quality. Tap on it. Now simply tap the slider to enable Upload Highest Quality. That's it. From now on, your media will be uploaded in best quality. So in this way, you can change the media upload quality on Instagram Threads. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.